How to create character in Vyond. First of all, log into Vyond account and click on create button and click on create a character. It will open a new tab and here they will ask for how you can create a character. Copy from library, generate from photo or select a style. I will select copy from library. Here already I have created some character. I will make from it. I will select any character and it will come here. Now I have to edit the character. In right side you can change the face style. Also you can change the face color. Second is hairstyle. Change the hair color also. And then mouth. Change the color and the ear. And then eye style. You can also change the color of eye. Nose style. You can choose the nose color also and avia. That's it. Now change the top. If you click here you will see a lot of top. Take it anyone. Here you can change the top color also. And the bottom, choose the bottom. There is a lot of bottom here. You can change the color. And the feet. Now here is a accessory. You can add the microphone and this this type of many things. Cap, different type of caps and much more. If you want to add more, click add accessory. Like this you can add. To remove this, click on remove button and it will remove. Now if you want to save this character to library, click on save to library, or if you want to change the name of this, then click here and save the character. Our character is now saved here.